Namaste all. This is Vishwanath Reddy from Vijay Tech Labs and PANI Deals. Today, actually, I have some specific requirement given in the Pabbly Connect group by our community member that he want to extract the agent name based upon the availability. So the availability has given uh, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. One agent will be there. Similarly, the other days. So as you see in the screen, so we should be able to extract the agent details, and we need to notify the agent that yes, uh, this is the new lead is assigned to you, something like that. So for that, I have considered the Google Sheets because they told they're collecting all the leads in the Google Sheet, and the staff information is available in the Google Sheet. So for that, I have created a workflow where whenever new lead is inserted and new lead is added in the Google Sheets, we'll pick up the timestamp and lead information from that, and we will uh, look out for the agent who is available at that time, and then we will assign that to that agent. So here is that. Uh, oh, Here how it works. Actually, I have created this Google Sheet just to gather some information as provided by them, like agent 1 Vishwanatha, then agent 2 Yatish, agent 3 Mahesh, agent 4 Shiva. So Vishwanatha is available on Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So here actually, for the convenience of searching through Google Sheets and these operations, I have given time in 24 hours format, and I have added minutes also, like from 9 a.m. 00 minutes to 17:59, means 17 o'clock and 59 minutes. So it's like up to uh, 6 p.m., something like that. So I have converted that, and then for other case where the other agent 4 Shiva uh, is supportive from 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. next day. So I have just created like this, like 18:00 18 hours and 00 minutes to 32 hours 59 minutes, something like till next day 9 a.m. It's like 24 hours plus 8 hours 59 minutes, something like that. So I've added this for the convenience. Okay, so that is how we have decoded that. And then uh, so we have another sheet that is leads. Okay, so one is staff and another one is leads. So in this leads, actually we are getting the data from other source where we'll be getting other details, but we as of now we have taken name and timestamp, like the new lead name and the timestamp. And then the our workflow will update the assigned to, like agent name, something like that here, or other details if you need. So here, this is how we have created. So I will let me show the workflow is like we are capturing the data from the Google Sheet given in the leads. Okay, here from here. Okay, all this data is available, like especially name and timestamp, that is what we have there. Okay, and then like column name, index, row number, something like that. Then from that, actually we are extracting uh, date, sorry, day, weekday, like Friday, Monday, or something like that, to compare with the data given in the staff sheet. So something like that. So Friday, three letter word will be coming out, and then we are extracting the hours and minutes, to be precise, like in 24 hours format. It's something like this. So it's like if the given data is something like that, 1616, so it will come as 1616. Okay, then we are what we are doing is like we are updating the uh, cell given here in the staff. Okay, so search day and time. Given that, this is how we update the information, like with a formula. Okay, so then I will show how it works. Okay, so as of now, this we will update that. Then from there, we will extract the information like wherever the value is true. So it's like we are mapping the data within Google Sheet and we are extracting that particular agent information, something like that. So based upon the time and date availability, so we are getting the only one record, that is we are extracting, and then we are picking up that information and updating in the leads Google Sheet here assigned to. So that is how it works. Okay, so let me show the exact let me show the example. Okay, so let me show the example. Just give me something. Okay, everything is fine. I'm here. I am actually to extract the exact timestamp just now. So I'm giving this. Okay, so by this actually Pabbly should have triggered that. Okay, and yes, the agent available agent name is updated here. So it's like we are giving here and we are getting that information almost instantly here. So after that we can send notification to the agent in wherever channel you are using, like you can send email, telegram bot, otherwise WhatsApp message, Slack, whatever you are using for team communication. Okay, so this is how it works. And yeah, why we have uh, updated this. Yeah, I think this is the question you will get, because why we are inserting values into this particular range. Because what we are doing is like we are extracting uh, day of the week, day name, like weekday name, Monday, Friday, Tuesday, something like that. Then the exact time from the timestamp whatever we have extracted here. Okay, so it's like we are extracting the weekday name here and time here, hours and minutes to be precise, and we are updating them in the Google Sheet. And we have a formula here already to compare this day in the given days, and then time in the range between this time into time out. Okay, so and we are extracting whether it is true or false based upon that. So if it is true, then we will pick up that particular agent name or details whatever we have given, and we will update them here. So that is how it is working. Okay, yeah, I thought it was simple, but yes, after a lot of iterations and time, I think around took around 180 minutes maybe, or maybe not 180 minutes actually, 90 minutes maybe, 60 to 90 minutes. So I think I hope this will be helpful for you. And yeah, if you need this solution, and if you have some other extra requirement, you can contact me. Till then, see you.